Jenny and I am on the spot. I'm coming to you live, recorded live, with my newest Stitch Fix box. Stitch Fix is very hard to say quickly and not spit. I'm going to do the unboxing of my Stitch Fix box. So let's see. Okay. Oh, looks like I might have a sweater. Ooh, okay. It's a sweater. It's a cardigan sweater thing. Oh, it's cute. Oh, and it's soft. With this collar that would take a whole lot of starch if I wanted to wear the collar up. I see polka dots. They know me. Oh, look at this. Oh, I think I'm gonna love it. It has this tank top that goes underneath, but do you see? It has the dots on it, and it has this beautiful, isn't that lovely? Looks like there's some pants here, okay? Gray skinnies. Oh, these are cute. Oh, and they're soft. Ooh, is this a dress? If this is a jumpsuit, I would be so excited, but I don't know what it is. Let's see. Oh, it's a dress. It's a black, simple dress. Oh, and the dress has a thing. And there's one more thing in the box. They sent me an accessory. You guys. It's cute. It's simple, yet enough. Okay, do you see that? I love her so much. So let me just try some of these on, and we'll see. Okay, so here's the shirt. I love it. It's called the Cocoa Swiss Dot Roll Tab Blouse. I could wear this for a lot of things. Television, and other things. I tried on the pants. The gray pants are called the Danny 5 Pocket Knit Pants, and they were too low cut. They're adorable, but they were not going on me into public. No. Alrighty, folks. Here's the cardigan. This is called Alma Plaid Drape Front Cardigan. What do you think? Yeah? I don't know. This one is about 88 smackers. So,
what do you think? What should I do? Huh? What should I do? I don't know what to do.
And now for the dress.
When I pulled it out, I thought, oh, it's nice. I still don't feel that it's different, but it is so comfortable. I'm not wearing any garments of great structure. It has these 3/4 length arms, which this part of my body is not my favorite. So I love that this dress covers it up.
It has a bit of a neckline, but it's not, I don't know, I guess it goes low, but it doesn't look too cha-cha. I'm spinning on myself. I think I might be liking this dress a little too much. I think I like it. What do you think?
I think it's a great profession. I cannot speak today. I really like it. It just feels so, it's so comfortable. Just a simple black dress. I have one that's super fancy. And do I have another super? I'm not trying to sell you, I'm just trying to think. You cannot purchase clothes just on a whim and a feeling. Actually, this necklace would be totally a whim and a feeling because I have no need for necklaces, and this is delightful.
It's a Rocco 3/4 sleeve faux wrap dress. So, look, I'm lifting my dress and you're not seeing anything.
And so there's my Stitch Fix. Peace and sparkles, and happy week to you. Okay, bye.